Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting and exciting, hopefully, Corvette stuff. Before we get started, if you guys could take a chance to subscribe to our channel right below the screen here. You know, I looked at some analytics last week and our viewership is excellent, but 79% of the people who watch our videos aren't subscribed. And while we were super excited to hit 40,000 subscribers last weekend, thank you. There's a whole bunch of you guys that could help our channel out a lot without costing you a penny or taking you more than about 1/10 of a second if you could hit the subscribe button if you're interested in Corvette content. Thank you in advance. It does a ton to help our channel. Now, on to this week's topic. Okay guys, so spring has sprung here in Florida and we are in the midst of our annual spring cleaning. So the title of the video may have misled you to think that we're giving away like a brand new Corvette. We're not that wealthy, okay? So it's not that. But I do have, as I'm going to show you in a bunch of pictures here, I have a bunch of straight, undamaged Corvette frames, Corvette bodies, lots of different stuff that I'm looking to clear out of my lot over the next month because I want to make room A, for more cars, and B, I want to actually go into that big warehouse we have that's full of parts and pare it down so that I can store some cars in there as well because we're running out of room here. So if you want to build a race car, if you've got a car that's frame is damaged, like a C4, a C5, a C6, and you need a straight frame to put your stuff on, I can help you with that. And a lot of this stuff is going to be really, really cheap, and some of this stuff is going to be free. Now, I can't go looking for this stuff. If you say, I needed this, I needed that, I need this screw, I need this module, I need this plug, that's not what this is about. This is, I've got big chunks of cars that I want to make go away. So if you know what your needs are, and you can call and say, hey, I need a front frame section for a C5, that I can probably help you with. If you're looking for little bits, we'll still be able to help you, but that's going to be under our normal business stuff, not under our, hey, get rid of this stuff because we need the room. As long as we all understand each other, and you can be patient with me, I think we'll be able to help some people here, especially people who are trying to build a car for the track or something like that. So, if you have needs and you want stuff, now's the time because we are in clear out mode, which means we are going to be far more gentle and loving than we normally are. So give us a call or give us especially email. Honestly, especially if you need parts, email, don't call. And we'll get back to you as quick as we can. And we'll shoot pictures, just like I showed you here, of what we have that maybe fits your bill. Otherwise, have a great weekend and we'll see you next week. Thank you so much.